Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So, for today's video, we're going to teach you how to undervolt your GPU. Well, undervolting is actually quite easy to do. All you need to have or to do is the proper application in order for you to be able to manipulate or control your graphics card. So, our number one recommended game optimizer, and also our number one overclocking tool that we recommend is MSI Afterburner. So MSI Afterburner absolutely for free to download. Just go to msi.com/landing/afterburner, and this is going to be the main interface that you're going to see. So we have here two versions. There's a final and a beta. We downloaded this one, the 4.6.5, the final version, because this one, 4.6.6, it's the updated version. So always make sure that the versions you are downloading are compatible with your system. So upon clicking this, you will have this. So you need to extract this in order for you to get the installer or the setup. And then once everything's okay, you will now have access to MSI Afterburner, which will look something like this. So it's an application, looks just like this. Now to undervolt rather your system, it's very easy to do. What you need to do is to simply, from the core clock right here, just make sure to put that on a negative setting. So negative 110 definitely works. Memory clock, reduce it as well to at least around negative 60. And that should do the trick. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and of course the subscribe button, and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.